Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, east central Logan County in central Oklahoma, central Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Coyle, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stillwater, Perkins, Ripley, and Ingalls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.